Hey guys, what's up? And welcome to the video. Remember to subscribe and hit that like button. But today we're going over monkeys from Ballons TD. So we have our first monkey right here. Dude, he's sick. Fortnite reference, but I would call him a rage quitter. Dude, all these monkeys are sick. So go ahead and check that game out. It's not my sponsor or anything, but it is a sick game. Dude, here's an archer monkey. I like this one. It reminds me of Hawkeye. All these monkeys are awesome. Here's the wizard monkey. So basically each monkey has a couple forms, and yeah. Here is a bird monkey or something. All these guys are monkeys, but sometimes they're in different costumes. They all have different forms too. So this is the final form of the wizard monkey. I think it's sick. So you can't tell he's a monkey because he has the costume. But I think that one's cool. Here's a sergeant monkey. He's pretty cool. I don't know all the names and I haven't played it for myself. But hands down, this represents me and William. This is cool. A stream sniper. Ooh. Stream sniper. Stream sniper. Stream sniper. Remember, comment down in the comments which one's your favorite. We all live in yellow submarine and yellow submarine and yellow submarine. This is like a coral monkey. I was gonna stop here, but then I took more screenshots because of how cool they were. He has antlers. It's another bot. I like this bot way more. It's a rage quitter bot. It's Zeus. Zeus is the lightning god if you didn't know what that is. But that's not real. Yeah, it's a pilot monkey. That's cool. I think one of my classmates would like that. Splatoon, but monkey. Dude, it's legit a monkey version of Splatoon. And I took a lot of screenshots of like a whole bunch of new boomerang monkeys. This is like the first form. I don't know all the forms because I haven't played the game myself. This is kind of like a robotic form. I think this is pretty cool. Dude, those are my two favorite colors, purple and blue. That's awesome. And then he's just throwing that little throwing star. Here's the same thing but red and blue. I still like the purple and blue more, but red and blue is still phenomenal. Is that literally Thanos? What in the world? It's Thanos! Yes. Oh wait, no. Here's the real version. Hey, that's cool. So someone photoshopped it. Oh, that's cool. Safari person. But he still has that boomerang. There's so many people with boomerangs. Why? Dude, here's a cool boomerang person who's throwing star person. Dude, that's cool. Now we have like a builder monkey. This is cool. I literally just was watching Sunday play this game. And then I saw all the cool monkeys and it's awesome. There's another boomerang monkey. How many of these monkeys do they have? Oh my gosh. I like how he's closing his ears, but he does that like every day. That's cool. Dude, this is awesome. I'm speechless. Chinese New Year. It's like a Chinese assassin, something like that. Ooh. Here's like one of the like the stream sniper thing. But that's gonna end the video. See you guys later. Bye.